Hey everyone, this is Couponing with D. I am back with an insert preview video. I got my inserts, I want to say on Thursday, and today is my first available day, so here we go. As you can see, I got 3 inserts, 2 versions of the Save and 1 of the Smart Source. Let's start with the Smart Source. First off, we have a $2 off of 1 Clairol hair color. 5 off of 2 hair color. We have allergy medication, Claritin, $10 off, $3 off, $4 off. On the next page, we have Cortisone 10, $1.25 off 1. We have the Airwick single warmer for free, and $1.50 off any one Airwick Freshmatic spray or essential mist product. Moving along, we have $1 off of any Fresh product. We have $1 off 1 Irish Spring body wash and $1 off 1 multi-pack soap, 6 packs or larger. I'm just gonna scroll through Dollar General for all of those getting out. Some food items. You can pause the video and look through it if you would like. I don't know if the big coupons are still in effect, but I see Dollar General has back to school. In the September P&G flyer, there is a $2 off of 1 Charmin and a $2 off of 1 Bounty. I saw a post today that it works on the $5 packs at Dollar General, so you might want to try that when the P&G for September comes out. Stack up on that water. Stack up on all your essentials. We have more allergy. $8 off, $4 off, that's Claritin. Refresh has a $5 off 1 and an $8 off 2 this week. Look at this tenner, $4 on 1. I know a lot of tenner people, that's y'all gold coupon at Publix. Over here we have Natural Sleep, $3 off 1, $3 off 1, $2 off 1. Kinkelman, $1.50 off 2 noodle kits and $1 off any 2 products 10 ounce or larger. Colgate, $1 off 1 toothpaste, toothbrush, and mouthwash. St. Joseph, $1 off and $2 off. I'm running through this pretty quickly because it's 3 inserts and I want to make sure you all see everything that's in them so you can run out and get those deals. There go the Clairol coupons for this week. $1.50 off face, $1.50 off eye, $3 off clean beauty product. That's the first one. Yes, I get mine via FedEx 2 days after I order. This is the first Save. $1 off any 4 cups of pearl olives. $1 off any 3 cans. Haagen-Dazs lovers, I'm sorry, that's Ben and Jerry's. Look at me. $1 off 2, $1 off 1, $1 off 1. Those work well with the BOGOs at Publix. Kellogg's, $1 off 2. Breyers, $1 off 1. Splenda, $3 on 2 sweetener items. Zebra pens, I don't know if Ibotta still giving rebates, but they were, and here's a coupon for $1.25 off 2. Garnier lovers, 3 off 2 whole blends, 3 off 2 fruities. Advertisements on both pages, nothing there. And on the back, buy 2 of the Renews It, you get 1 free. And this is $1 off any 3 pack, and Soft Scrub has $1 off 1. And then the toilet bowl cleaning products, $1 off 1. That is the first version of Save. The second version, on the front cover, it is the same olives, same Ben & Jerry's, Kellogg's, and Breyers. Here is a Family Dollar ad preview. Again, scrolling through it quickly. You can pause the video and look through it. Cottonelle, $1 off 1, and there go the same Renews It coupons. This is advertisement on this page. More advertisement on both of these pages. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. Advertisement, 3-on-2 Splenda. And this is gold for others. $1.50 off any one Snuggle product, $2 on the in-wash boosters. Then I have $1.50 on the all product, and then $2 on the Mighty Packs. Those are all of the inserts that I have for you this week. Thanks for watching. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bye.